top 10 animals that can live after death. Unbelievable! Hello to everyone out there. Welcome back to our YouTube channel with another exciting video, as we promised. Well, who wishes to die? Many scientists have tried to do experiments to live forever, but it seems like our animal friends are the winners in this case. In this video, we will explore some strange creatures that can live even after death. Before stepping forward, make sure to like our video, hit that subscribe button, and press the bell icon so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. If you do so, may you live the next years of your life with incredible luck, such as these animals have. Without waiting further, let's start the video. Number 10. Flatworms. Do you know if you cut a single flatworm into two pieces, instead of dying, that piece will transform into two different flatworms? Flatworms are known as the masters of regeneration, as they can regenerate every part of their body if you amputate them. When you cut one flatworm into a piece, the head portion grows the tail, and the tail portion will grow the head. Do one experiment. Try to cut one flatworm into 100 pieces or 1,000 pieces according to your curiousness. And oh, wait, these pieces turn into 100 new worms. Number 9. Flies. Have you seen that viral video of a magician who made the frozen fly working by just poking it? No, that was not his superpowers. Let me blow the shield to his secret. In real, a fly can live quite long, even if you cut his head. Flies have powers to survive in extreme temperatures. That's why a fly is on the list. It is not completed yet. A male fly can be successful in flying and walking, even if you chop his head off. Nothing much will change for him. The same goes for the female flies. They can live perfectly for several days after decapitated. Try experimenting. Number 8. Frogs. Do you know frogs are actually intelligent ones? I mean, you and I are nothing in front of a frog. Can't believe it? It has recently been discovered that frogs can live quite long, even after their brains are dead. The scientists have actually done an experiment in which they chopped off the frog's head, ripped off their skins, but frogs were still jumping and croaking, but you can only feel their croaks then. Frogs don't change much after you cut their brains, chop their heads, turn them upside down, and frogs will tell you that they are still alive by pinching. Number 7. Salamanders. If someone asks you that which animal is the most stubborn, who can still live long even after death, don't think for too long. Just take the salamander's name. Behind salamander's regeneration, people have started to believe that this animal indeed has some superpowers to regenerate. Salamanders can abnormally regenerate any part of their body that has been amputated or chopped off. Surprisingly, those newly born parts are parallel to the original position, and sometimes they are better than the original ones. This is mostly due to the protein found in unexpectedly high amounts in the salamander's body and helps to repair him. Number 6. Chickens. Is imagining chicken moving headless here and there funny or scary? Whatever the reason is, I only think that chickens are zombies. Just kidding. It is because of humans. Yes, it is a human error, or you can say butcher's error. Let me tell you first that the chicken's nervous system is quite different from us humans. It means the essential functions of chickens are controlled by the brainstem and not by the brain. This is why a butcher cuts chicken's head from the height. Many parts of the body keep intact when the brainstem chicken starts to move. Number 5. Bees. You must be thinking about how bees can count on this list, because once a dead bee is dead forever. Be careful. Once a bee is dead, but it's not that innocent. It can still sting you. Come on, not in the way you think. Bees are not safe to be touched, even if they are dead for so long. because the muscle that pumps the venom is not controlled by the bee's tiny brain. You might have seen in the movies or cartoons, when a bee stings, it leaves its embedded part in the person's body. This is why even after a bee's death, the sting is always alive. Think thousands of times before touching a bee and millions of times when touching a dead bee. Number 4. Turtles. Do you know before that the heart of turtles and other reptiles have their own pacemaker cells? When the brainstem does not send any signal for some reason, these pacemaker cells take over their signals to the brainstem. This confirms that the heart of turtles works for a time even though the brain is completely dead. You might be thinking, how long? Well, this how can be 5,000 hours. Number 3. Octopus. I am pretty sure that you might have seen those viral videos on social media in which the octopus keeps on moving after it is chopped off or cooked. You may know that in many Asian countries, these moving octopuses are served as the fresh ones. This is not actually the octopus dancing itself on the table. It's his arms that keep on moving, and as a result, can be stuck in someone's throat. It's because the nerve cells of octopuses are in their tentacles instead of being in the brain. Number 2. Lobster. We are quite deep in this video that is about to end. At number 2, we have lobsters. Do you know lobster can live incredibly long, even after hours? It was shown in a viral video that a lobster starts to move after years of death. Now, who knows whether that video was real or not? This is true that lobsters can quickly regenerate the chromosomes that help them to live more extended period. Try an experiment. Take a lobster and start boiling it. You may witness the dancing lobster in that hot boiling pan. Number 1. Snakes. Look who is here at the top of the list. Snakes! Honestly, I think snakes are perfect for Halloween. When people face the snakes, they only have 3 reactions. Number 1, get frozen on the point. Number 2, start running. And number 3, OMG, just chop its head off. What will happen if you chop the head of a snake? It will remain the same as it was before. Snakes can still bite you even with their heads off, as they contain heat-sensitive pits at one side of his face to recognize the threats. That was all about the zombie animals. Just kidding. You might not believe, but these animals can really live for so long even after their death. Not only these, but some other species can join them. Which one was the epic one? Let us know in the comment section below. If you want to see more, you can click any of the videos mentioned on the screen. We will be back soon with our next video. We are thankful for your support. See you guys in our next video. Take care of yourself till then. Bye-bye.